Ukraine's weapons are gradually asserting market share in Southeast Asia through large value contracts. Inheriting the quintessence of the BTR-80 armor vehicle, Ukraine was more successful than Russia when it launched the BTR-4 variant. Compared to the Russian rival BTR-82A, the BTR-4 is not inferior in weapons, but is more modern in design of the hull, armor, and rear doors. Currently, this line of armor has been exported to Indonesia, Myanmar, Iraq, and Nigeria. BTR-4 is the first armored personnel carrier completely domestically produced in Ukraine, developed in the early 2000s. Its prototype was unveiled in 2006. It was approved for production and entered service with the Ukrainian Army in 2008. The BTR-4 is a basic vehicle for fast reaction special forces and Marines, able to perform day and night missions in different climatic conditions. Inspired by the famous Soviet BTR-80 platform, the design of the BTR-4 had revolutionary changes, such as a large hull, the driver's and commander's compartment at the front part of the hull, the engine and transmission compartment in the middle, and the tube compartment at the rear. The tube enter and leave the vehicle either through the rear doors and the roof hatches, and the driver and commander are provided with doors located on the sides of the hull. A baseline version of the BTR-4 provides all-round protection against 7.62mm ball rounds and artillery shell splinters. Other sources report that all-round protection is against 7.62mm armor-piercing rounds and corresponds with Stanag 4569 Level 2. It seems that the front arc withstands 12.7mm rounds. The BTR-4 is a more flexible design than the older BTR-60, 70, and 80s, as the train's layout makes it easier to adapt the vehicle to specialized roles. The vehicle can be armed according to customer requirements. The prototype is armed with the locally designed new armament module, which is armed with 130mm automatic cannon, 7.62mm coaxial machine gun, up to 4 9P135M Concourse or barrier anti-tank missiles, and 130mm automatic grenade launcher. It can also be fitted with different turret modules depending on the needs of the customer. The BTR-4 is powered by Ukrainian 3TD diesel engine, developing 500 horsepower. Alternatively, this armor vehicle can be fitted with a German Durst diesel engine, developing 450 to 600 horsepower. Vehicle is fitted with a center tire inflation system, which improves mobility over difficult terrain such as sand, snow, and mud. Its maximum road speed is up to 110 km per hour and 10 km per hour when screaming. The vehicle has a crew of 3, including commander, gunner, and driver. It can carry 7 to 9 troops depending on the armament module type. To date, more than 500 vehicles have been produced for own operators. During 2014 Ukrainian military conflict with Russia, the BTR-4 APCs were extensively used.